I don't want to put you on the spot, but it's nice to push on these kind of things. Any favorite password managers?
There's a lot of them out there. So I think LastPass, 1Password, Bitwarden, KeePass, Dashlane, those are all fantastic. You just want to pick one that's reputable, that's well-known, and not just download any old thing off the internet. That's probably where the danger comes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm scared to say anything what I use, but I know with LastPass it got hacked, but it seems that didn't affect the credentials that people were using, right?
That's exactly right, because everything in the password vault is encrypted. And we don't currently have the capabilities to break encryption right now. Maybe when we have quantum computing, it'll be possible, but I don't think that's something that we're going to be seeing in this year. And so a lot of times people will be like, oh, well, what if I store all of my eggs in one basket? How bad is that going to be for me when that organization gets hacked? And I say, use a long, random, and unique password for your master password. Make sure you have multi-factor authentication on. And even if the password manager does get breached, they still aren't going to be able to understand what you have in there. But if you're still so politely paranoid that you can't use a password manager and you feel like it's keeping you from being safe online, then you consult your passwords in your password manager. So you can store everything in there and then have like a little code that you put on the end, somewhere in the middle, or somewhere in the beginning. That way, even if it's possible for us to break encryption, which again, it's not, we're living in a hypothetical world here, but if we were able to get in there, it would still not be possible for us to see the actual passwords.